Yo, we're in Jakarta with Dennis, in Setiabudi, the neighborhood he lives in, and just cruising through this alley, heading to get some, which one are we going to have, mie Aceh? Or
That's it.
That's the one we're going to have? We're going to have some mie Aceh, which is some noodles with something. Oh, that's a pretty nice bird there, look at that. Look at that, nice. But yeah, we're strolling down this little alley near his house, just gonna go head out, have some food, gonna be meeting up with a local girl to maybe do some city exploring. So,
It's really funny because it's like
cool.
the most metropolitan part of Indonesia, but it still feels
So cool. Yeah, super central, but little places like this are so cool.
yeah, you really can't get any more central than this, and it's still
Yeah?
nothing like where we come from.
Wow. So there's more places that are like this too, though? Like little alleys like this, or?
Yeah.
Man, look at that.
The motorbikes go through here.
Of course.
They go everywhere.
I love this. Really cool. What? You just threw a bird? This kid's throwing birds. You see that? Did he catch that bird? He's got like a pigeon in his hand. Look at this. What? That's pretty bizarre. Oh, look, he's throwing a bird. That kid just threw a bird too. They're playing catch with birds? Literally. What? Have you seen that before?
I think I have.
This kid. What? I don't know. He's like handing me the bird, like, hey, beer. Oh man, too funny. Nice. So now we're getting into some regular streets, but more fun to be had.